Today we're going to be installing add-on blinds for flush frame doors. Here's what you're going to need to get started. You're going to need a tape measure, something to mark holes with, a level, a drill, a Phillips screwdriver, the supplied hardware kit, and of course, glasses for safety. We hope this video, along with the provided instructions, will make for a quick and easy installation. So let's get started. After you've unpacked your blinds, grab a tape measure and a pen and mark the center line of the glass on the door frame. You're going to want to make sure that you're above the top of the glass. Now on this particular door, the glass stops right at the door frame, but yours might be different. So make sure you refer to your instruction manual to find details about how to check your door. After you've marked your center line, use a level to align the hanging bracket, and then mark the holes for drilling. After you've marked all of the holes, grab your drill, the provided drill bit, and of course safety glasses, and let's get ready to drill the pilot holes. As you drill the holes, make sure you drill in the center of the mark. That way, if you find you weren't quite centered, you'll be able to slide the bracket left or right until it's corrected. Okay, now that you've got your top bracket mounted, that's the hardest part. The next step is to grab your favorite window cleaner, clean the inside of the treatment assembly and the window on the door, and after that, we're ready to hang our brand new blinds. Alright, now that everything is clean and ready to go, we are almost ready to hang our brand new blinds. But just before we do that, remember to remove the red safety tab. If you don't do that, your blinds won't be able to raise or lower. Now, take a look at the top of your blinds. You'll notice that there are 3 tabs. Those are going to line up with 3 tabs on the hanging bracket. When you're ready to hang, tilt the assembly at roughly a 45-degree angle. Line the tabs up and set it in place. To secure the blinds, gently tap the top until the assembly locks into place. Now we're ready to attach the bottom of the assembly to the door. Take the provided alcohol wipes and clean where the Loctite is going to attach to the door frame. Once your door is clean and dry, peel the back off of the Loctite and then press and hold for about a minute. Now you'll notice that on our door we had a pretty tight fit around the hardware, so we had to remove part of the filler strip. Since these are designed to accommodate a variety of doors, you may have to do the same thing with yours as well.